Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going? Are we going to New York?
Yeah.
Who are we going to see? Grandma's coming to get us, but we're going to see Tay-Tay and Emmy and Gabby. And who else? And AA and Bobo's.
Josie, are you gonna see Bobo's?
So are you guys ready? So are you ready, guys? Oh, you showing them? Oh, did you get that from McDonald's?
Yeah.
Here, let's show Bubby's. He just got done drinking a bottle. He's going on his second road trip. You ready to go to New York? Huh? Are you ready to go to New York?
Yeah.
Well, guys, about to go on a 10-hour drive to upstate New York. Join us along the way.
Oh, I love your shoes, yes.
Let's see if I can,
Josie, are you ready?
No.
Huh?
You don't want this?
Say not yet. All right, we're about to get on the road. We're cram-packed.
I'm gonna... Hi. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm still doing it.
She feel happy when you see the camera.
You got a unicorn?
She'll pop the camera.
They're gonna pop you on the head. Well, the trigger closed.
I got your nose.
Hey.
Oh,
Get
nom,
on the
nom,
road
nom, nom.
now.
Nope, I ate it. Yes, I did.
You're kidding.
Beautiful sky.
All right, guys, got an hour left, but we have time to get some Krispy Kreme and change some dirty diapers. All right, y'all ready for Lennox's first bite of a Krispy Kreme donut? Come on.
Nom, nom, nom.
Bite it. Ooh. Hot and ready.
I need.
Let's see.
That's cool.
You ready?
Mafia
Side by side
boss.
match.
Oh.
All right, guys, we are at Lighthouse Landing in Marathon, New York. And we are going down to the river. Now turn around so you get the kids going.
He's a massive.
Say hey, guys.
Hey guys.
Say we're in the river.
Where's the
Where?
river?
Oh, it's floating? Can you find anything else? Oh my goodness. Look at that, dogs. Heck yeah, guys. Heck yeah. That's Smalley. Alright, guys. I'm gonna clean you off. You're looking dirty. Alright. Got another Smalley. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. Get a release on him. He's gone.
Not following him exactly.
This is what I call beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, there's nothing like this. If you get the opportunity to just go out on a kayak and go on your local river or wherever you may be, just do it. Just do it. Just go out and get some peace. There's no noises, there's no nothing. You just go out and you have fun. That's all there is to it there, bud. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Thank y'all. Got him, guys. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. I got a northern pike. Oh, that's a walleye. Look at that, guys. That's a beautiful fish. Look at the teeth on those guys. Good fish, guys. Good fish. Good fish. Come on. Oh. Oh. Dang. He got some ump to him. Oh, that's a good one. Ah. Came off. Come on, jump again, jump again. Jump again. Yeah. They're in here, buddy. They're in here. Yep, they're in here. Zach, it's a pike. I got 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 a northern pike. I got a northern pike. Stay on, buddy. Stay on. I got him, buddy. I got him. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let him tire out. He's a good one. He's not crazy big, but he's big. He's pissed. He ain't going nowhere though, unless he breaks my line. I got him hooked good. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh! Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, he's got one hook left in him.
That's a nice one.
Woo! Oh, 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 stop. Hey, if he comes off, he got in the boat. Come here, buddy. Come here. I'm gonna get the hook out of you, dude. I'm gonna let you go. I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you, buddy. I don't want you. I don't want you. We're good. We're good. We're chill. We're chill. You're hooking yourself more. He came off. I got him on camera. That's a good one. That's a good one. In the middle.
Pike ever.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
I ain't never caught him, dog.
Don't let him go. Don't hook yourself.
I hook. Why would you say that? Why would you say that? And then I hook myself in the thigh. I ain't never caught a pike.
Really?
Yep.
We got pikes, baby!
Stay still. Oh. Dog. Dog.
Grab him behind the head.
He's not big.
I know, but grab him behind the head. Grab him behind the head.
He's not big, but he's big.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh! I got it. I got it. I got it.
I never caught one in my life.
That's dope, dude. There we go.
I did not think that was recorded.
She's running into you. Dang, that sucked to run into that rock. Don't you take my fish. Oh, I'm gonna run right. Oh!
Oh, get him, honey, get him.
He was happy, dude.
Golly. Best thing I've seen all day.
He was happy. I think I got it on video.